Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Are you ready to take your gardening game to the next level? Whether you're hauling soil, mulch, or your latest big project, the right wheelbarrow can make all the difference. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best garden wheelbarrows, ranking them from good to absolutely amazing. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is perfect for your yard. Let's get rolling! Coming in at number 5 is the Simplay 3 Easy Haul Wheelbarrow. It's lightweight, compact, and built with a double wall resin design, which makes it resistant to rust and dents. If you're a casual gardener or someone who just needs to move light loads, this one's worth a closer look. Now let's talk about what makes this wheelbarrow unique. First off, it's super easy to maneuver, thanks to its lightweight build. The flat floor design is perfect for keeping your load steady, and it even includes a built-in tray for tools, or, if you're like me, your water bottle. And the best part, those roto-molded wheels never need inflating. No more filling with a pump when you're ready to get to work. But on the downside, this one isn't exactly built for heavy-duty jobs. With a 250-pound capacity, it's great for light hauling, but it might struggle with larger or heavier loads. Plus, the plastic wheels don't offer the same traction you'd get with pneumatic tires, especially on rough or uneven terrain. So who's this wheelbarrow for? It's perfect if you're tackling smaller garden projects like planting flowers or moving bags of mulch around. It's simple, reliable, and easy to use. But if you've got bigger projects in mind, you'll want to stay tuned for the rest of this list. At number 4, we have the Worx Aerocart, an 8-in-1 yard tool that goes way beyond your standard wheelbarrow. This versatile cart combines the functionality of a wheelbarrow, dolly, bag holder, rock mover, and more. If you love a good multitasker, this is one you'll want to hear about. What makes the Aerocart special is its turbo lift design. This clever engineering makes even a 200-pound load feel as light as 17 pounds, so you can haul heavy items with ease. And with its flat, free tires, you'll never have to worry about them deflating, no matter how often you use it. It's also compact, making it easy to store in tight spaces when you're done for the day. However, this versatility comes at a cost. Its capacity is just 3 cubic feet, which is on the smaller side compared to traditional wheelbarrows. It's also a little more complex to set up, so you'll need to switch between modes for different tasks, which can slow you down if you're in a hurry. The Worx Aerocart is ideal for anyone who wants a tool that can do it all. Whether you're moving potted plants, hauling rocks, or transporting heavy bags of soil, this cart has you covered. But if you're focused on traditional wheelbarrow tasks, it might not be your first choice. Taking the third spot is the best choice. This dual-wheel wheelbarrow strikes a great balance between capacity, durability, and ease of use. It's designed to handle both casual gardening and heavier tasks, making it a great all-around option. One thing I really love about this wheelbarrow is the dual-wheel design. It provides extra stability, so you don't have to worry about it tipping over when you're moving heavy loads. The padded handlebar makes it comfortable to use, even during longer projects. And with a 5 cubic foot capacity, it offers plenty of space for soil, mulch, or anything else you need to haul. However, it does have some drawbacks. The plastic bin is lightweight, which is great for maneuverability, but it's not as durable as steel or resin. It's more prone to wear and tear over time, especially if you're working with sharp or heavy materials. And like many wheelbarrows with pneumatic tires, it requires regular maintenance to keep them properly inflated. This wheelbarrow is a solid choice for anyone who wants something versatile and stable without breaking the bank. It's a reliable mid-range option, but if you're looking for maximum durability, the next 2 picks might be more your style. In second place, we have the Gorilla Carts, a compact yet highly functional wheelbarrow that delivers durability, stability, and versatility. If you're someone who values ease of use and quality construction, this one's going to catch your attention. What makes the Gorilla stand out is its push or pull handle design, which lets you use it however you're most comfortable. The impact-resistant polybed is not only super durable, but also rust-proof and easy to clean, which makes it a great choice for messy jobs. Its low center of gravity helps keep it stable when fully loaded, and the 300-pound weight capacity is perfect for most medium to heavy-duty garden tasks. On the downside, pneumatic tires require regular maintenance, just like other options with air-filled wheels. And while the 4 cubic foot capacity is good for smaller tasks, it may feel a bit limiting for those tackling larger scale projects. This wheelbarrow is ideal for home gardeners who want something sturdy and reliable without the bulk of a larger model. It's easy to maneuver, tough enough for most jobs, and a breeze to clean up afterward. But if you're planning to haul really big loads, our number one pick might be more up your alley. And finally, taking the top spot is the True Temper, a heavy-duty workhorse that's built to handle the toughest garden and landscaping jobs. If you're looking for maximum durability and capacity, this is the wheelbarrow for you. Let's start with that seamless steel tray. It's tough, rust-resistant, and perfect for carrying heavy abrasive materials like rocks, concrete, or dense soil. With a spacious 6 cubic foot capacity, it can handle larger loads than any other wheelbarrow on this list. The steel handles with comfort grips make it easy to manage even with a full load, and the pneumatic tire keeps things balanced and smooth even on uneven ground. Of course, no product is perfect. The True Temper requires some assembly when it arrives, and like other models with pneumatic tires, you need to keep an eye on inflation. But honestly, these are minor trade-offs for such a robust, high-capacity wheelbarrow. This is the ultimate choice for anyone serious about heavy-duty gardening or landscaping. Whether you're a homeowner tackling big projects or a professional landscaper, the True Temper will handle whatever you throw at it. So, there you have it. The top 5 garden wheelbarrows, ranked from great to best. Whether you're a casual gardener or a serious DIYer, there's something on this list for everyone. From the lightweight and versatile SimPlay 3 Easy Haul to the powerhouse True Temper R6 STPTEC, each of these wheelbarrows brings something special to the table. If you're ready to upgrade your gardening gear, be sure to check the links in the description to grab the best deals. And don't forget, like this video, drop us a comment with your favorite pick, and subscribe to the channel for more garden gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!